All right, so I was sent the 4-pack wireless glow rechargeable light bulbs with remote to test out, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I think about it. One, it's going to come with the remote, one for each of these. It's going to have a charging area, so it's going to be the USB-C charger. You're going to have the push where you can push it right here, or you can go ahead and just use the remote. Now on the remote, you're going to have 3 different color settings. Fabulous, great to have. You can also dim it to a 50% or have it up to 100%. As you can tell there, the light goes down, goes back up. This is really cool to have. I like these because it comes with 2 different options. One, you can hang it. Say the power goes out and you're needing it in the attic or a storage room, space, anything like that. You can hang it almost anywhere. How cool is that? Now, say you have a lamp in an area where you don't want a cord showing. This can also take the place of an actual light bulb, and it doesn't need to be hardwired in or even completely screwed in because it's going to be charged. Remote will also offer you a timer and a time setting on it, so no more cords. You literally don't have to worry about hiding them because you just simply turn it on by the bulb or the remote and it's going to light up. This looks absolutely great. I like how quick and easy it charged, but again, if the power goes out or if I'm in the garage or in a room that does not have a working light, I can simply use this.